Welcome to 129 King Avenue, conveniently located in Dennison Place, in close proximity to downtown Columbus, the short north Victorian Village, and Ohio State University. All of the wood details in this house have been refinished to bring them back to their original beauty. This home features geothermal heating, solar heat gain windows, solar panels, and a tankless water heater, making it almost 100% ecologically sustainable. Adding to the ecological sustainability of this house is this amazing greenhouse featuring an automatic rainwater irrigation system. It's located above the spacious 3-car garage. This backyard is amazing. You'll love relaxing on the patio while enjoying the 2 apple, 2 peach, and 1 nectarine tree. Enjoy the beauty of the backyard while cooking in this amazing kitchen, featuring an induction oven and 2 sinks. This home has 4 spacious bedrooms on the 2nd floor and 2 full bathrooms, including 1 bathroom attached to the owner's suite and another bathroom that features a large soaking tub. The 3rd floor has this amazing flex space that could be a 5th bedroom, office space, an art studio, and much more. You have to see this gorgeous house in person. Schedule your showing today.